No. We have watched with bemusement and horror, really, at the growth in the cost of this. So we were promised this, I think, back in 2012, and we were told it would cost 315 million, as reported this morning. Then we were told it would take a few years longer, but it would be 500 million. Then we were told it would take a few years longer, but it will be 3 billion. I think that's going to be at about €6,000 per home on average. And they said, oh, and by the way, we're not going to own any of the assets at the end of this. What Fianna Fáil wants is public ownership. We think the ESB, with the appropriate partners, are best placed to do this. We have been saying that for some time. The broadband scheme that this government has spent 7 years talking about is an absolute shambles. And I think everyone should be worried when government starts announcing big capital plans right in the middle of a by-election. I think it is no coincidence that the last time they re-announced their latest re-announcement on the broadband plan, it was during the local elections. This is spin, it is obfuscation, and really this is costing a vast amount of money, years longer than it was meant to. So we believe the government has failed pretty much entirely on this plan.